Fix eyes closed on Google Photos. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. To fix the eyes closed on Google Photos, this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi and kind of data. So if your device is not connected to Wi-Fi and kind of data, then you won't be able to fix the issue of it. So make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi or data, and after that you just need to open Google Photos on your device. So after opening the Google Photos, you just need to scroll down and tap on the photo in which the eyes is closed. So let's say if the eyes is closed on this photo, I'll simply need to tap on it and click on the option of edit at the very bottom. So after clicking on the option of edit, you just need to select the photo of the face in which the eyes is closed, and then after doing here you will see the option of re-image. So click on it. So after clicking on the option of it, here it says that re-image as eyes open. So you just need to write eyes open on it and click on the option of like this, and after that it will generate an image with the eyes open photo and you will be able to fix the issue of it. So that's it. That's how you can fix the issue of closed eyes in Google Photos. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.